Hello everybody, I am Amit Kumar, SSD teacher of Paramount Public School. Today I am going to teach class 8th topic, the Constitution and the need of laws. The Constitution and the need of laws. First we talk about here about constitution. That what is constitution? For example, if we say that every democratic country must have a constitution. Every democratic country must have a constitution. India is the world's biggest democratic country. But here I want to mention also, but this is not true that every country which has constitution is democratic also. It means that every country which has constitution is not supposed to be democratic. So it means that such country has another form of government except democracy. Here we first talk about the Indian Constitution. First, you must know that how India's constitution came into force. In December 6, 1946, Constituent Assembly formed under the chairmanship of Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, in December 1946, Constituent Assembly has been formed under the chairmanship of Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and this is the same Dr. Rajendra Prasad who became the first president of India. With him, in this assembly, total of 389 members elected, and then these 389 members reduced to 299 only. 299 members. After that, this Constituent Assembly formed to make constitution, started its working with 299 members. So this Constituent Assembly started working under Dr. Rajendra Prasad to form the Indian Constitution. And after that, drafting committee has been selected to further draft our constitution, and in this regard Dr. B.R. Ambedkar has been appointed the chairman of drafting committee with other 6 members. So, in this drafting committee, total members were 7. Total members were 7. Here I want to explain that why Dr. B.R. Ambedkar has been appointed as the chairman of drafting committee, because Dr. Rajendra Prasad got ill at that time. So he was not able to work in this drafting committee. He became ill, and by this Dr. B.R. Ambedkar has been elected as the chairman of the drafting committee. And 26th November 1949, Constituent Assembly given the report on behalf of drafting committee that Indian Constitution is completed. On 26th November 1949, our Constitution became completed. In this regard, here one thing is really very important, that Dr. B.R. Ambedkar go through 60 Dr. B.R. Ambedkar go through 60 total countries, 60 countries constitution. He go through the total 60 countries constitution to draft India's biggest written constitution. And on 26th January 1950, we adopted this constitution, and the day became the Republic Day for India. Total time that we have spent to make our constitution is 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. So, in the next lecture, we will discuss about the features of our Indian Constitution.